Hi everyone, welcome back to What's Sewing On. For today's video of Halloween of videos, I'm going to be turning myself into Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas. I still can't decide if this is more a Christmas movie or a Halloween movie. I normally watch this movie at the end of October, but I also watch it in December, so I don't know. For this look, I want to transfer myself into the original Sally, so I want to do a huge makeup look with the blue paint, big eyes, red hair, big quilted dress. I want to do the whole thing, but I'm really nervous because I have absolutely never did makeup like this before, and I have no idea how it's going to turn out. I was looking through my patterns and I realized I don't really have any plain t-shirt style dresses. The only one that came close was this pattern by Simplicity, $69.97. This pattern was made in 1967. Obviously. And I think it'll work really well because the bell sleeves are pretty long. They go just above the elbow, and I think I'm going to bring the dress down just below the knee. The reason I want to make the dress longer to cover more space is because it would be less makeup for me to do on my arms and legs. So I think this dress will actually do the job really well. I know I have a lot of work to do on the dress and on the makeup transformation, so I'm going to show you guys the fabric and get cutting right away. You're fine. The pattern was missing the sleeve facing pieces, obviously. So I just traced the bottom of the sleeve and made it the same width as the neck facings. Next, I started off with the darts on the front and back of the dress pieces. There was 2 on the side bust, 2 under bust, and 2 double pointed on the back. Once the darts were finished, I attached the front and back dress at the shoulder seams. So I just finished sewing the zipper, and I just wanted to give an update because I just had a huge panic attack because I thought I somehow sewed, I can't even say it. Oh my gosh. I thought I sewed the zipper around the sewing machine, and I thought it was stuck like this because it wouldn't come out, and then I realized I just need to we're good. All good. We're fine. Everything's fine. So after that mild panic attack, I'll show you what I have so far. I have the front dress done, the zipper in, and I've also done the facings. I don't know if I'm just getting better, but this just came together so easy. I'm gonna have it done easily within 2 hours. I shouldn't have said that because I still had the damn sleeves. Whoops. Anyways, so now that all that's done, I just have to stitch together the 2 sides of the dress, set in the sleeves, and then I'm going to start painting. I prep my dress form by putting a garbage bag over it and then the dress on top of that. Then I combined my acrylic paints together and mixed them with water. I applied the water and paint mixture with a sponge paintbrush directly to the dress. I would recommend leaving the dress dry overnight. I did not, and my hands were a mess. Using an awl, I made the stitch holes first, then I took black yarn and a large knitting yarn needle and I stitched between the connecting colors. Normally you have to be very careful with the dresses that you're making, so it was so nice to be able to stab a dress that I was making. Now for the makeup look. So I have blow dried my hair straight. I haven't used a blow dryer in over, I want to say 1.5 years, almost 2 years. So I haven't really seen my hair this straight in a very, very long time. So I just have it sitting up in kind of like a roll just to give it a little bit more volume on the top. I finally opened a beauty blender that I've had for about 4 years that I got for Christmas that I've never used before. So we're gonna try out a blender today. And then at the dollar store, I just picked up some white face paint and blue. So I've just put some moisturizer on. I have nothing on my face. So hopefully it doesn't dry it out too much because it is dollar store makeup, you know, big budget. The title of this look is Avon Lady Comes to Halloween Town in the 1960s. I'm pretty much just envisioning Peggy Boggs from Edward Scissorhands knocking on the Halloween Town door, meeting Sally and being like, "Oh, you poor dear, don't worry, I'm as harmless as cherry pie. At the very least, can I provide you with a strong astringent to help with infection?" And then her taking a cotton swab and dabbing Sally's scars, being like, "Don't worry, I have experience, but let's just consult with the Avon manual, just in case." And then Peggy giving Sally a full-blown 1960s Avon look. Am I happy with this look? No. Was it the look I was going for? Absolutely not. But it's the look you get. Basically what happened was I bought crappy makeup from the dollar store and a Halloween store. I ended up getting a really bad reaction when I put the white and blue face paint on, so I had to take that all off, let my face stop burning, and then I had to quickly kind of throw together this look because I was running out of time. And to make sure I'm keeping with my schedule and posting on Monday, I didn't really have another day to be able to redo this whole look. So it's completely my fault. I should have listened to the box and did a test strip of that makeup. I probably shouldn't have bought that crappy makeup to begin with. And I should have given myself more time to complete a look I actually like. Oh well. Anywho, the rest of the look I'm super happy with. I love the dress. I think it came together so easily. It is a 1960s pattern. That's kind of why I went with the 60s look for Sally, just to keep in theme with the dress. I love how the patchwork is coming through the paint. The paint, it's pretty thick, so the dress can basically stand up on its own. And I'm not able to iron it because it's so saturated. But I think it looks really cool. I love the different colors. I like the detail I did. I think the yarn stitch work really brought the whole dress together. So I am super happy with the dress for Sally. I think she'd be very happy with this dress as well. If you want to see my next Halloween looks, I'm going to be posting every Monday and Friday in October. Monday are my Halloween costume looks and Fridays are my Halloween craft videos. So please like and subscribe and I will see you all in my next video. Oh, I got lipstick on your nose. Oh. Was I standing at that one that it grabbed onto me?